Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel Madubam Law Firm LLC. Subscribe to our channel for weekly immigration insights. Navigating the intricacies of immigration law in the United States can be a daunting task, especially for individuals seeking refuge from persecution or violence in their home countries. The immigration process for refugees and asylees differs in several key aspects, each designed to provide protection and a pathway to safety for those fleeing persecution. In this video, we will explore the differences between the immigration processes for refugees and asylees, shedding light on the legal framework that governs their journey to safety in the United States. Refugees versus asylees. While both refugees and asylees share a common goal of seeking protection in the United States, the circumstances under which they seek asylum and the processes they undergo differ significantly. Refugees are individuals who have fled their home countries due to fear of persecution based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Unlike asylees who apply for protection from within the United States, refugees typically apply for refugee status while outside the country through the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees (UNHCR) or other designated organizations. The refugee resettlement process involves thorough vetting by multiple U.S. government agencies, including background checks and interviews, to ensure that refugees meet the criteria for admission and do not pose a security risk. Once approved, refugees are provided with assistance for resettlement in the United States, including housing, employment support, and access to social services. Asylees, on the other hand, are individuals who have already arrived in the United States or are at a port of entry and seek protection based on the same grounds as refugees. They must demonstrate a well-founded fear of persecution or harm if returned to their home countries. Unlike refugees who undergo the refugee resettlement process abroad, asylees must apply for asylum within 1 year of their arrival in the United States, or within a reasonable timeframe if circumstances prevent them from applying earlier. Asylum seekers undergo a rigorous asylum application process, which includes submitting detailed documentation and evidence to support their claim, attending interviews with asylum officers, and, in some cases, appearing before immigration judges in court proceedings. If granted asylum, individuals can live and work in the United States indefinitely, and may eventually apply for lawful permanent residency, also called the green card, after 1 year of continuous presence in the country. Key differences. Location of application. Refugees apply for refugee status from outside the United States, while asylees apply for asylum from within the country or at a port of entry. Timing. Refugees apply for refugee status before entering the United States, while asylees apply for asylum after arriving in the country. Application process. Refugees undergo the refugee resettlement process, which involves vetting by U.S. government agencies abroad, while asylees go through the asylum application process, which includes interviews and court proceedings within the United States. Resettlement assistance. Refugees receive assistance for resettlement in the United States, including housing and social services, while asylees may not have access to the same level of support. The immigration process for refugees and asylees plays a crucial role in providing protection and refuge to individuals fleeing persecution in their home countries. While both pathways offer avenues for seeking safety in the United States, understanding the differences between refugee status and asylum status is essential for individuals navigating the complexities of U.S. immigration law. By working with experienced immigration attorneys at Madubam Law Firm LLC who specialize in refugee and asylum law, individuals can receive the guidance and support needed to navigate the immigration process and secure protection in the United States.